the best kitchens in the world are made in Europe. In America, you can purchase a good European kitchen with premium service starting at $25,000, or a basic ready-to-assemble kitchen with do-it-yourself service from IKEA for under $10,000. If your budget is mid-range between $10,000 and $25,000, it is not possible to purchase a high-quality European kitchen with premium service in the United States. That's because there are no suppliers providing a turnkey service who would be willing to take on such a project at such a price point. That's because the process is too involved and too costly. You must always assume that after the initial installation, there will be 2 to 3 rounds of remedial parts and labor. This means that additional parts will most likely need to be ordered and installed. Since this is so costly, any professional European kitchen dealer in the US typically would not take on a project for less than $25,000. The value premium kitchen model is a revolutionary approach to European kitchens, allowing you to purchase a great European kitchen at the lowest possible price available in America. You can access the leading European manufacturers out of Germany and Italy, but without any minimum, so the price will be the most competitive possible. The service model is different from the premium model and would not include domestic delivery and installation. You, as a professional or homeowner, would assume more of the responsibility, which means that this service model is not right for everyone. But if you are willing and able to take on the project, you will enjoy the greatest cost savings and access the best kitchen manufacturers without any minimum. The VPK service model is a hybrid between the premium service and the IKEA do-it-yourself model, allowing you to enjoy the best products for the best price. Click Start the Process to get started.